John with Four State Trucks here in Joplin, Missouri, inventory manager in the retail section. I want to tell you a little bit about a brand new product just came in last week. It's a pure LED headlight system for the 2018 and newer Cascadia. Everything on this light is LED and it is DOT approved. We're probably one of the only places across the United States that's carrying these, if not the only place. $1,055.99 will get you the pair. This should be just a regular plug and play for you. No modifications needed. Come on down.
Hey guys, this is Dylan at Four State. If you're looking to replace your old Grover horn, the one that has the round front and the round back on it, Hadley has a replacement for you. We offer it in a 24.5, 30, and a 37-inch horn. So just give us a call and we'll get you fixed up.
Hey guys, Ben here at Four State Trucks. I'm here to talk to you about our 359 glove box liner we're now keeping in stock. This will fit any year of 359, 1967 through 1987. Direct replacement for your factory dash. If you do have an aftermarket dash, you will have to trim a little to make it fit. It's $175 and we keep it in stock. Come see us.
Hi, my name's Bobby with Four State Trucks. I'd like to introduce the Radiator Genie to y'all. With the weather heating up, radiators need to be cleaned out and stuff, preventive maintenance. This is a good product for you guys to grab a hold of. We have a water spigot and the air spigot, multiple uses. It's fast, easy, adjustable, good preventive maintenance tool. For $39.99 you can get a hold of one of these. Might ought to grab two sets, one for the house and one for the truck. Thank you.